Words have power, and today, on a Human Rights Day, I want to speak my truth in hopes that it will raise awareness of the human cost of this genocide. And as my desperate plea, for me, it's been more than 2 years of carrying the weight of advocating for my mom in a scenario that seems too awful to be true. Serving as a lone ally to my mother, who's in a concentration camp, is a nightmare that I can't wake up from. Please do not become so desensitized to the big numbers regarding to Uyghur victims. Do not become numb to the words like genocide. Don't tune out our individual stories. Uyghurs are facing extermination, and my mother's life is on the line. We aren't the case studies in the textbook. We aren't the circumstances that you determine to help based on political expediency. It takes so much courage for us to come forward and speak out because we know the grim reality of how powerful the monster we're fighting against. We fear further retaliation, danger, but we must be the voice for those who are suffering in the camps, like my mother, Gulshan Abbas, and many, many more mothers, fathers, brothers, and sisters.